Hello everyone and welcome to another lecture in the series R for Beginners. In this lecture, in this short lecture, we will talk about Boolean values in R. Booleans or logical values in R can only take two values, true or false. So first, a short primer on what Booleans are. So in programming, there are often situations when you need to know, when you want to know whether an expression is true or false. You can evaluate any expression in R and many other programming languages and get one of two answers, either true or false. Is 10 greater than 11? True or false? Is 1 greater than 2? True or false? When you compare two values, this expression is evaluated and R returns you the logical answer, the Boolean answer, true or false. Now let us examine Boolean values with the help of an example. And to do this, I will open up the R console and zoom in a bit. Yeah, there. I hope it's visible now. Okay, so first let us compare two integral values, 10 and 11. So you obviously know that 10 is less than 11. So if we say is 10 less than 11, you can simply evaluate an expression by writing an expression on the R command prompt. 10 less than 11, true. But what if we wanted to check whether 10 was greater than 11 or not? This might seem stupid, but trust me, this will get the point across. 10 greater than 11 gives you false. And is 10 equal to 11? If you want to compare two quantities for equality, remember you have to use two equal signs, not single. So 10 equal to 11, is 10 equal to 11? No. Okay, so in the three examples we compared two values directly. But what if you had those two values stored inside two variables? Let us say we have a variable A that has the value 10 and a variable B that has the value 11. Okay, so we can do the same comparisons using the name of the variable instead of the value. A less than B, A greater than B, and A equal to B. So the main purpose of Boolean values is their use in if conditions. Okay, so as you can see, the last part of this example is the usage of Boolean values in if conditions. So we know that A is less than B. So we write a condition if A is less than B, then let us say I print out A is less than B. Else I will say B is less than A. And you see, when I execute this code block, I get the output A is less than B, which is because the condition A less than B evaluated to true, and that's why that if block was executed. So this was just a short video, and I hope I got the point of Boolean values across. If you have any doubts or confusion, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to help you. Okay, bye.